Hi, I'm Michael Castor. I'm a product manager here at Yaskawa Motoman, and I'm here with the HC20XP. So the HC20XP has a unique feature on it called direct teaching. So direct teaching allows us to teach a robot job right from the robot without even touching the teach pen. So how to use this is you hit the button over here that says move. This unlocks the robot, and then I can push the robot in the direction I want it to go. So I can move it down here, whatever I need to, and then I can teach the points into the robot or into the controller by hitting the teach button, and that logs my point for playback later. There's also a button down here called tool, and this allows me to change the tool state and also program the tool state into our program. So it makes it very easy to program quick jobs where I'm picking something up and putting it somewhere else.